Worried about the pre-trip inspection test? We've got you covered. The next question is heater defroster. So the examiner will ask heater defroster. It's exactly the same as the in-cab check. So we're going to read the control or system failure is a minor defect. When we have a minor defect, we write it in the inspection book, report it to the operator, and we are allowed to drive the vehicle. Defroster fails to provide the unobstructed view through the windshield is a major defect. When we have a major defect, we write it in the inspection book, report it to the operator, and we are not allowed to drive the vehicle. How do we check for that? There are no objects between the dash and the windshield. It is on heat and it is on defroster. Level 1. It's working. Level 2. 3. Speed 4. All speeds are working, and the defroster can provide the clear view. And that's it for this one.